Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can play with the random players on FC24. So for example, we have like three options, the most popular options. The first one is of course the ultimate team. So when you open it, the ultimate team, and create your own team with the random cards, you will be able to use your squad and play with the random players. The second option, without creating the squad, you can play with the normal teams, like for example Manchester United, Manchester City, for example Real Madrid. You can go for the seasons. So when you open the seasons, you will be able to play the match quickly without setting up the whole team. Here you can of course change your team, for example to the Getafe, and here you can go for the search. And right now it is looking for the random online game. And also you can do this in this online friendlies. So here you can basically also play with the random players. For example, if you play with someone on the seasons recently and it was fun to play with this guy, you can add him to the friendlies, and here you can add him and also play the matches. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.